Evening. Now, I've been asked to do a quick tomato pruning midsummer guide. Hi, Legbara. So this is for you. Right now, before I get into the tomatoes too much, in case it gets into the corner of my screen, I want to just point this monster out. This is, well, it's supposed to be a cucumber, but it's quite clearly a pumpkin. The seeds have got modded up, so I'm just letting it have its thing. I'm going to push it to grow over this thing in a minute. But hey, it's a monster and it's good fun, so I'm just going to let it grow. Now, tomatoes. You need to grow tomatoes, a pair of scissors, but that really is it. We are doing all right now, lots of ripening tomatoes. I'm going to pick lots in a minute, but this is all we do. So what I will do is I cap them. So if here I've done it already on some of these, and that simply means I'm cutting the tops out so they can't grow any higher, because I don't want them growing into the roof, but I want them to stop growing up as much as I can, and I want them to start concentrating on fruit. Now, tomatoes, or this variety at least, will grow all summer long, so you have to keep cutting them. See, all these are the same height, they've all been cut. Okay, so you cut the tops out and you make sure you cut, as a good example here, look, the main stem. So it can't grow any more than that, but it will keep growing side shoots. So here's an example here. Now, these are called suckers, they've got to go, because this is the plant trying to become a bush. Now, to look at your plants, if you see this one here, I've got a main stem all the way up, oops, all the way up here, that's my main stem there. And then at the intersection between the main stem and a leaf here, you've got a plant growing in the corner. See, that's the right angle, and the plant coming at 45 degrees. That is a sucker. Those you cut off. Cut them off, and that stops the plant getting too bushy, allows it to concentrate on growing nice fruit. Here's some here, and same all of them, but they'll all do it, so you have to keep a good eye on it and keep snipping them. I'm going to do it mine now. And that way the plant put all its nutrients into growing and ripening the fruit and not into growing green leaves. And that's it. How to prune tomatoes.